Step 1. Confirm the 5 accessories. Step 2. Insert the thigh wrap bracket into the leg seat. Step 3. Connect the footrest to the round socket below the leg seat. If the metal spring clip is stuck inside the inner tube, you can adjust it by hand to restore its popping function. Step 4. Remove the screws and nuts on the footrest. Check if the plastic clip has shifted. Step 5. Distinguish between the left and right support tubes. Step 6. Install the left-right support tubes onto the leg seat. If the left-right support tubes are installed incorrectly, you can use screws to press the spring clip, remove the support tube, and reinstall it. Step 7. Fix the left-right support tubes and footrest with screws, nuts. Step 8. Remove the pin hardware. Step 9. Adjust the footrest orientation, left leg facing left, right leg facing right. Step 10. Find the appropriate footrest height from the 8 adjustable levels and insert the height adjustment pin. Do not raise the footrest without removing the pin, as this will damage the internal cushioning structure. Step 11. Install the straps.